Are you curious about how to change Bitmoji on Snapchat? This helpful video will show you how it's done. In just a few simple steps, you can create a whole new look for your avatar. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to find out how you can do this for yourself. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the Snapchat application, and then go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. And as you can see, this is my avatar. So if you want to change your Bitmoji, tap on this gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then when you are on the settings screen, simply tap on this Bitmoji option over here. And let's select Edit My Bitmoji. And now you can do all sorts of stuff like change the hairstyle, hair color, change the eye shape, eye color. And you can scroll through this and basically change anything you want. And also change the outfit. You can go through all of these and pick an outfit that you like. For the sake of this video, I am simply going to select something random. And then, once you are happy with your Bitmoji, tap on this Save button at the top right to set it as the new Bitmoji. So that's how you change the Bitmoji on Snapchat. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you learned something new, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more simple tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.